How can you use the iPad as a whiteboard in the Zoom meeting? So let me explain the whole process. If this is your first time on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you do not miss the upcoming videos and explanations like this one. So if you are on a Zoom call, you might want to share something or teach other people using a whiteboard. And the iPad is great for that because you can get plenty of different whiteboard apps. Like if you go to the App Store and look that up, you can see so many different apps. And I personally go with the Microsoft Whiteboard. It has been working well for me. But the point is that if you are on a Zoom call, right, you can connect with other people, whatever. But then you have the ability to just like share your screen with the other people, right? So if you're a part of the meeting, right, you can be connected as such, the usual stuff. But as I say, you are gonna be able to share your screen. So you have the share button below. You can see it, you can tap on the screen as such, and you can start a broadcast and move to the whiteboard app, right? So you can start the broadcast, leave or minimize the app, open up the whiteboard, and you are going to be able to share whatever you are doing, drawing with that audience, the people connected. So that would be one way to do that, of course, like you can just share it as such. But if you click on share during a call on the Zoom app, you can see we also have the ability to share a whiteboard. So this kind of like opens up this one, which is like built into the app. It might even work a bit better because it's like integrated within the Zoom software. So, we have that option right away. We don't even have to like leave the app and get a third-party one. So I guess if that would work as well, depends on which option you prefer more. So that is how you can present it. And yeah, that's the other option. So let me know what you think below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you later in the upcoming videos and tutorials like this one.